Congratulations! You have been invited to attend a professional learning opportunity in the near future. So now it's time to get a substitute teacher. You will need to go to your Frontline account, log in using your username, which is your email address, and a password. If you have forgotten your password, click here. Once you are ready, sign in. Once you have signed in, choose the appropriate date that you need to get a substitute teacher. Click Create Absence. If you have an absence that requires 2 different substitute teacher codes, you will need to go to Advanced Mode. You have one option along the top, and then you need to add a new variation for the afternoon part of your day. Again, select the day that you will be gone. Select your absence reason. Scrolling down. For this situation, we will be using professional leave. Select the time. This will be a half-day absence, and you can see the time has adjusted for us. You will then need to choose the accounting code that has been sent to you by your curriculum lead or curriculum director. We will choose this one for today. Next, go down to the second variation. Again, you've selected the correct date. Your absence reason. For this time, we're going to use Demo Teacher Visit. The time is the afternoon. As you can see, the time has been adjusted for you. When you are doing a demonstration teacher visit, you do not need to select an accounting code. That information is done behind the scenes. If you scroll up, you can see Variation 1 has been recorded correctly as professional leave. Variation 2, there's a mistake. So there's no date listed. I need to come over and make sure I click on my date, and now I can see that that mistake has been corrected. The correct times are listed as well as the reason for my leave. I will now scroll down. I can leave any notes to my administrator. I can upload any files that I might need my substitute teacher to see. And then I will create my absence and assign my sub. If it doesn't allow you to create your absence and assign your sub, there will be something in red. In this particular situation, the red says that a professional leave requires notes in the field. So I would need to type out why I am going to be gone. For this particular situation, I will list, I have a science meeting. Because I like to be detail-oriented, I will probably tell them where my science meeting is as well. Let's scroll back down and see if I can create the absence and assign the sub. Excellent. I may now search for a substitute or select from the list of preferred substitutes and assign my substitute. Once you've done that, your sub information will be in, your substitute teacher will be assigned, and you will be ready to attend your professional learning.